Wait. Okay, you're in focus now. Do the thing. And cut.
Ok, prizor 16, kader 2, posnetek 5.
Priče so rekle, da gre za letalo.
Dokazujejo, moraš reči, da skušajo dokazati.
In jaz bom lahko prvi znanstvenik, ki bom dokazal neobstoj vesoljcev.
What languages are you speaking? Is it Russian? Are we in Russia? An intense euphoria, as well as mild congestion. Those who identify... Okay, I'm sorry, keep rolling, I'm gonna start again. Okay. Sit. Within the first 24 hours of returning to Earth, most abductees will experience an intense euphoria, as well as mild congestion. I think there are several genitalia, and this is emotion. It's going this way and that way. It's fluid. No, it's gaseous. It's a gaseous fluid. If you understand what I'm trying to say, I think this is another anus.
Imajo vojaške baze, tajne vojaške baze povsod, ne. In v tem filmu so naredili ta naredila, veš,
Cut.
Američanci imajo tako ali tako po celem svetu tajne vojaške baze. In se mi zdi, da tukaj...
Hvala lepa.
Hvala.
Kaj je sploh sevilske hipoteze?
Sevilske hipoteze so ena statistika v zvezi z verjetnostjo obstoja nezemljanov.
Jaz sem to mislila.
A res? Ja, pa dajmo da uporabiti. Zdaj sem pogledal Google tega, ker dejansko obstajajo hipoteze v
Ok, gremo še enkrat, ki ti
If that's the bisexual on the phone, tell her to enjoy having sex with people's souls, with multiple people. Hey, if that's the bisexual on the phone, tell her to have fun being a bisexual who just has sex with people's souls and not their really attractive bodies, because I'm quite skinny. Hey, if that's a bisexual on the phone, tell her to have fun not having sex with me. Hey, if that's a bisexual on the phone, tell her... Hey, if that's a bisexual on the phone, tell her to have fun having orgies that I'm definitely not a part of, because she only sees people's... Hey, if that's the bisexual on the phone, tell her to have fun with her chakra soul orgies with the bisexual bullshit.
It's LGBTQIIP.
No, you said Q again. Oh, but it's okay, it's not yours. It's not yours.
It's LGBTIIP. There's an E. It's LGBTEIIA.
Zgledala je tako...
Zvok?
Ja?
Ok. Scena 4, kader 1.
Teče.
Zvok?
Okay, what does that mean? Okay.
It means your battery died.
Do you know, the funny thing about transitioning is it turns out women pee all over the toilet seat. No one thinks that that's the case. They think it's a man thing, but women just hover over the toilet seat and urinate on the floor. It's insane. What is up with that? She's married to a man, has a hideous ugly baby that looks like Donald Trump.